Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the radiator on this 2007 Chrysler Town Country. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Helps me out a lot. The next thing we're going to do is take this shroud off. So what we're going to do is take out this bolt here, this clip. You pull these tabs out and then you can pull that out. And then these five Phillips screws, same bolt and this clip. All right, you can now, kind of pull this back and finagle this shroud out. All right, now we're going to take out that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, and that bolt, and then we'll be able to pick this whole cross member up. And we're just going to set it off to the side. Careful not to scratch your paint, but it's still attached here. All right, the next thing we're going to do is unhook this hose here. Just get this out of the way. And then we are going to take the fans out. So we're going to take out this bolt here, this bolt right here. There's a bolt in here. There, you can see it right there. And then we need to unplug both of these clips right there and right there. They have the little red tab that you need to push one way before you can unclip them. All right, so we've got the fans loose here. We're gonna unhook this coolant hose right here and pull the hose off. That'll give us a little bit more room so we can get the fans out. All right, we've got our fans out. So now we're gonna come down here, undo this clamp, pull this hose off. All right, now we're just gonna take this little thing off here. Just pulls off like that. And then the next thing we're going to do is unhook the condenser from the radiator. That way we can take the radiator out. So the way that you do that is there's these little clips right here. Get like a set of needle nose or something, pinch those clips together and like push them apart and it'll pop out. There's also one over here. Move that. You can see it right there. So you do the same thing, pinch it and push it apart right there. Okay, we've got this popped apart. The next thing we need to do here, you can see this little tab right here. It sets in a slot down here. I've already got this one out. Basically, you just have to lift this up and then move the bottom that way to get it up out of that little clip so that you can get the radiator out. That's the last thing to get this free. It's the same thing over here. Let's see if I can get a better view. Try to focus. You can see it right there. Same thing. There's a little clip. You need to lift it up. Just do some finagling to get it out. One thing that might help you is like this flap right here. I've got the one that goes right here bent out of the way. Just bend them so that these hoses can go up and down. All right, you should now be able to lift your radiator out of here. These little flaps here might get in the way and it might be beneficial for you to take these off. There's little clips like that you can see, just push and they pop off. Might help you out getting that out. Do it that way. At this point, you get your old one out and you put your new one in like you took this one out. I'm gonna have some Amazon links in the description below where you can get like a new radiator and maybe coolant, just random stuff that you might find useful. If you want to use them, you can. If you don't, no big deal. Don't forget to refill your coolant when you're putting it back together. And make sure you get all your hose clamps nice and tight or put back on. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Really helps me out a lot. Have a good one, guys.